Hello everyone, today I will be making a video. So I'm with my brother right now. He's trying to talk what I told you guys about it on the Bee Swarm video. So yeah, today we're gonna be doing more Bee Swarm. You guys might have gotten tired. I know my device is low, but I have to do Bee Swarm for my viewers. And my brother's toys are playing, so please don't mind that for a while. Right now, I just came back from school. My mom's at work. I'm with my dad and my brother. We're here by ourselves. I'm reading my book called Secrets of an Overworld Survivor When Lava Strikes. It's an unofficial Minecraft novel. Okay, let's just get to our... Holy crud. How did he do that? I'm gonna type something better than his. Meh. 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 No, 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 no. How do you make Lenny face? Caps. My brother is laughing right now because I make him laugh a lot. That's when I do that. Oh my god. This game ain't boring. Okay, let's just get to the game. Creeper Asak has 150,000. I could get close to that. You already saw my last video on how I got to 64,000, but I totally dumped it. You guys saw how I wasted it down the drain. Please don't get mad at me. I'm barely 7 years old. What the? Let me check my settings. No. Guys. You have to tell me right now. I want to... What that just happened to the jump thing? Because I want to know what just happened. What happened here? Is that a new Bee Swarm thing or what? What just happened? What just happened? What just happened? What just happened? Yeah, what just happened? Do you guys want to know the new thing I learned to draw? I found it on a YouTube channel. Check his channel out. It's called Hamitations. I learned how to draw this thing from his channel. Go check it out. His channel's cool and all. Okay, let me just draw him. That's him right there. That's him right there, boys. It's called a Kleshkin. And because of him, I love pretend playing right now. I'm so much in love with it. Okay, 5,000 container space. What kind of rascal would do that? I would. My brother's starting to play more freaking games with me. I'm actually kind of dang worried. Oh great, here comes the little rascals. Help! Mommy! I just say that for no apparent reason. Should I fight the rhino beetles or the king beetle? Actually, screw my chances of dying. Frick yeah, I'm gonna show you the secret I found. Jump, my little peeper. Okay, my king. My Buddhas! We must save the king. No! Don't let me die. Screw you, bees. Screw you. Screw you, bees. Screw y'all, bees. My brother's laughing again. Hello, Jake, bro, dude. You took my roleplay name. I'm gonna kill you once I find where you live. You took my roleplay name, and I'm gonna get you. Hello, Buddha. My Buddha. We must find a way. Use the honey dispenser. I got the money. Also, spoiler alert. Honey token back here. I mean a gumdrop token gives you gumdrop. Wow. Open shop. Just that. That's the only gumdrop. Mate, I don't need none of your gumdrops. Just look how much money I make. I'm not talking about money. I'm talking about gumdrops. I scratch my head whenever my head itches or I'm confused. My brother's literally freaking falling for no reason. He loves to do that. He's just staring at me watch this video. By the way, I'm doing this on a Samsung tablet. No iPad, boys. My iPad channel is called Sonic Plush Movies Gaming and More. I should have put that in my description for the Yo Doofster account. I am so freaking sorry if I don't upload that lately on Sonic Plush Movies Gaming and More. I'm like, before I can even, I'm like, Mom, I need something refreshing that can cheer me up before I launch my tablet into full watch mode, where literally people that I don't know watch me. Yeah, I just get scared when that happens, because I don't like random people watching me. And if you don't know, I'm a little kid and all, so yeah. Why did I lose my hands? I just get so worried about freaking like stuff that I don't do. I never get grounded on a daily basis, so yeah. I just do videos often. Noise. Nice. 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 Where do I get red pollen? Somebody help me. Where do I get red pollen? Oh wait, this has red. I think I just found my succession. No more hell for me. My brother is so kind. Not really. Mostly he pulls my hairs. My brother is actually pretty kind. He's a 8-month-old. I was gonna say 4-month-old. I was gonna say 4-month-old because I watch BFB, and I'm like, boy, am I trying to sponsor this? Hashtag not sponsored. Oh, so in that video when I did hashtag NS, I meant hashtag not sponsored. So when you guys see me write hashtag NS, I mean hashtag not sponsored. What do you guys think about computer gaming for my channel? Well, if you're gonna support it, I'll get more IT stuff. My brother is trying to talk to him. I'm waving the book at my face so I can chill out. And okay, where's this camera thing? You know the camera thing that you get? What I'm doing right now is something that I never wanted to do. Dang it, no, face reveal. Face reveal is until 7,000 subs. Don't tell your friends about this or else I'll kill you. Don't tell your friends what my real face looks like. Oh my god, no. We have to find somewhere where there's no problem like that. We need somewhere where my leader can't leave us. Should I go back and fight the king beetle? Do you think I should get 10 eggs? You know something? Today, eggs at Bee Swarm. Damn it. I forgot it would show everything on your camera. It's so freaking pricey these days. You know that I'm looking swole. I swear I do not like this one. I am so embarrassed when it comes to animating because you know my fingers. I draw so much these days. I cannot animate or paint on computers. So I cannot ever in 20 years animate unless I get a computer. But you guys have to keep supporting me. Okay, I'm just gonna write something down. Boys, that awkward silence. So, you guys know about it. My art. Oh, you guys know everything about my art. Congratulations. Congrats, kiddo. You found out my biggest secret. My brother's crying right now. Boy, you better not cry, because Santa Claus won't get you anything. Oh my god. Sorry, guys. This is not supposed to be that. You guys are ready, huh? Just promise me. Yogurt. Hello? 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 My budash. Okay, you know what? I'm getting rid of this. I'm not doing face cam until I just go somewhere, get something new, and I won't be embarrassed. Please let me recommend something right now that I will end this video before it gets to 12:30. My tablet's at low percent. Get over there. 12. See you guys later.